So I'm about to head out to go to Super Quick. I need to have my wheels and alignment checked. I had about a 2000, probably, actually if I count everything, it's probably like a 4000, maybe a 4.5 thousand kilometer trip, with me going back and forth to Limpopo, Mpumalanga and all in the past 3 weeks alone. So I need to go and have that checked and also check if the wheels are fine. And yeah, I think that'll be it for today. Also, my plates just came in. I hate that now I have to rock around with plates, but apparently it's a safer thing to do. So yeah, I guess we'll have to do that. Hoping to get custom plates soon. We'll see. We're still figuring out what I can put on it. And yeah, so now my car has been parked for about 15, probably like 15 to maybe about 20 hours. So we're gonna get about we're gonna go get a cold start. I think that should sound very good. So let's see how that is. So currently we're doing rotation, we're doing wheel alignment, just making sure that everything is in order. We are at Super Quick here. That pipe sounds nice. So I just got coffee and I think they're already taking out the wheels on the car. Yeah, they say it's gonna take about an hour. Hey man, I thought it was gonna be a 20-minute job, to be fair. So we have one wheel that's gonna come back now. Everything else is done. I think we'll need to do alignment and we'll be done here. So we've done the rotation and we have the fresher tires in front because I think that's where you need all the grip. Oh, that's where you're doing most of the pulling. So yeah, I think I still have about 10,000 on the back wheels. Maybe that's when I'll consider changing them. God forbid I hit into potholes. So now it's my car's turn to go into alignment. No problem. So just getting everything ready now. Still need to put some few things on the wheels for it to be aligned properly, and they probably need to center the steering wheel, but I don't think it's that much out of alignment, so it shouldn't be that bad. Getting everything ready. Today I'm at Tiger Wheel, but not for wheels. I have a chip on my windscreen that I'm trying to repair. I don't think you can see from here. So it's just a month with this car and I already have that going on. Sucks. I have my morning coffee and the guy's working on it. So this is the chip right here. So they're busy fixing the windscreen here. Hopefully it doesn't crack more than it is right now. Hopefully. So now they're busy with the final part of the windscreen chip repair. Yeah, I've been here for like 30 minutes now, or 40 minutes. I hope it doesn't take any longer than an hour. So as a tribute to Peace Outline, we're gonna do the mirrors black again on this car. I'm at Coated Wraps, not sponsored. I'm gonna have these wrapped and have them back on the car. And we have the favorite guest on the channel.
What's happening there?
We wanted to do something on this car, but apparently you have to book.
I imagined. I came up.
Normally on the previous car, I did this strip blue, but this is red, so I don't have to do anything to it. And I seen some guy delete the white part here at the back, so they would like wrap this part black as well, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. So that's the difference between a black mirror and a white mirror. I think it's worth it. So the mirrors are done now. All black. Just so back to the original tribute. So today we have Aiden here from the Cave Detailing, and we're about to show this car some love. I haven't washed it in like a whole week, and you can see how rusty and dirty it looks. It needs some proper love. So here's his mobile car that he like comes to you, and then so you can be anywhere out there and you pull through. And he has a very nice setup. This is serious business, and hopefully we can bring back some life from this car. So he has this extension cord all the way and goes all the way to the house, so you don't have to worry about space like or things like that. But yeah, I haven't washed this in a car and in a whole week, and you can see just how dirty it has got, because it's been raining in Gauteng for like close to a month now. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. Apparently we're setting up everything, the equipment that he uses, and connecting the water, and we should be ready to go.
Flight nigga can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far to sky. Hermes ash with the time my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Susan, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never meet the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the source. My heart is since we do over, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, bitches gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking into the living street. I'm making the Canada, look at this money like it's on the G's. If you're a man, they paying these niggas to try to travel with my D's. That bitch touched on all the bitches up the keys. They came out the trunk of the keys.
So that's the good stuff that you need for your foam.
Yeah.
So just checking, bro. So like, what do your packages look like?
So basically, I have 3 packages. Main packages on the interior and the exterior. I've got my standard, premium, and all-in-one. So for the exterior, my standard is just a full decontamination wash, 5-step wheel process, decontaminate the car, 2-step wash, pre-wash and contact foam wash.
Yeah.
That's my standard exterior for 300 rand. My standard interior is your interior wipe down, glass clean, seat and floor agitation. That goes for 150, and then I've got my 2 most expensive packages. That's my all-in-one interior and exterior.
Yeah.
So that's basically your full decontamination wash, real 5-step process.
Yeah.
2-step wash method, pre-wash and contact foam wash again.
Yeah.
And then I clay bar the car, give it a clay bar treatment, and then that includes a paint enhancement, 1-step machine polish. I take care of all of your rubber. If you've got chrome, I take care of all of that. And then yeah, that goes for 1.5. My full interior, that's a full everything, door panels, floors, seats. If you've got leather, I treat your leather. If you've got cloth, I treat your cloth. full steam clean. Roof liner is an optional extra, but
Yeah.
full interior for 800 rand, steam clean, full
Yeah.
vegetation, floor, seats,
Everything
full
like
works.
that. Yeah, so like pretty much everything car related. Even if you have like an older car that you think needs a bit of rejuvenation, I think this guy can do it for you. And you know,
Those are just my main packages. I
Yeah.
also offer ceramic coatings, paint correction, PPF,
Yeah.
IO wrap, anything with 4 wheels, to be quite honest.
yeah, no, clean man, clean. Yeah, so like most of these things, I'll probably link it in my description, and you can just check out his social media and see exactly what he has done and the cars that he's worked on. So maybe if you have trust issues, he's worked on some serious cars. So yeah, you can check him out there.
Yeah. Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't know about the lot. You don't know what I done saw. Can't be without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Checks out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my homes were particular. Watch so much that a car came with me. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OG, learned about the class though. With the Duke 5, I'ma keep my ass low. Break yourself, you can break the dance floor. I'm with 10 and little baby. You got 4 choppers in hand. Before rapping on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock in the floor. I got my case from Osama bin Laden. Little nigga, he signed this shit. I'm for a gang. If you reach for my chain, then a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon. Y'all nigga doing that big cap trick. I ain't with the friendly shit. Close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap too. Yo, mama gon' have to make a go fund me. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack.
So the chemical that we just put here now, just remove all the iron here on the brake dust, on the brake discs, I mean.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't know about the lot. You don't know what I done saw. Can't be without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Checks out deposit. Money just stick with the boys. Cash in and cash out. I am not looking for clout. I knew I would figure it out. Took the million and pop the pig on my head in the cloud. Tell my name to bring out the crowd. We got things on my family in the crowd. I've been dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping.
I'm always saying I won't change, but I ain't the same. Everything's different, I can't complain. You don't know what you're missing. Shame on you, yeah. Shame on you. Everything's strange, that's just a game. Everybody throwing it away. We was getting lifted, now we getting paid. Shame on you. I paid the cost to see apostrophes. That means it's mine. Keep to myself, taking my time. Always into some bullshit and out of line. Driving with my eyes closed, missing all the signs. Turn the ignition, I'm driven and sitting pretty. Listening to Whitney and whipping it through the city. Yeah. Man on a mission, figure it out. Putting way too much on my shoulders, please hold me down. I keep my head above the water. My eyes getting bigger, so the world's getting smaller. I be getting richer, but that only made me crazy. Mama told me I was different even when I was a baby. That Mercedes through the PA when I pull up, sounding like a concert or a monster truck. I'm tripping, but I'm falling up. Always down go the system, Lord of the King. Turn the power off and get your water from the spring. I'm bringing everyone with me when shit get iffy. I give 150%. This is the shit that I'm dealing with, but I wish I forget. Used to be feeling.
So right now he's doing the interior, and yeah, almost there. But I have something that I want to show you here. There's something I want to show you. We have a Cooper S, but this is not your normal Cooper S. It has a very nice exhaust, and it's owned by a buddy of mine. He's also a YouTuber. He has posted a nice video comparing this to a JCW, and for comparison you can check out that video. But now I'm just gonna give you a cold start. No, it's not really a cold start, but like close to a warm start. But let's see. Tell me if this thing doesn't sound nice. That sounds amazing. So this is the Cooper S, but it says your Cooper works here. But if you want to view I can't even talk, it's very loud. It's very loud. So if you want to see the full video of this car compared to the GSW, you can check out the full video. It has some very nice visuals to it. So another one that I want to show you. So now just removing the dust that are like caught up in between these rubbers, and you can see wondering what the difference is in terms of detailing and normal car wash. Some of the so you can see the patterns here, everything nicely done. So if you love your car and you're like this obsessed with keeping everything clean, please man, do reach out to this guy. He's quite very good.
I'm living up a little obsessed, yes. Behind jacuzzis, I be hitting the jet. I'm showing her some love, she be giving me sex.